Alright, I'm going to try something different. I've not seen anybody do it, but I'm going to do a defensive drill with the lever action. This is going to be fun. Alright, so I got 3 in the chain, 3 in the tube, and 3 to reload. Total of 6 shots. %, accuracy, total of 16.54 seconds. Same drill, we're going to do the formal Mozambique, 2 to the body on one, 2 to the body on the other, one reload, 1 to the head, 1 to the head. So it's going to be 4, reload, 2. Last run was 12.63. Let's see how I do here. Ooh, big fumble on that one. Oh, 16.03. Terrible. But I really fumbled that reload. Got ourselves Alpha, Alpha. I know I circled that one, but I drove it right back in there. Here's the second one. Another miss to the head. I mean, it's close enough. It'll still take somebody down. Over here, we got ourselves Alpha, Alpha. Good shots, and then low on the head. But at the end of the day, with that massive fumble, not bad. Alright, let's try that one again. Last run was terrible at 16.03. I don't have one in the chamber this time, but it's going to be same thing. 1 assailant, 2 assailant, 2, 2, reload, 1, 1. Alright. Much better at 13.42. Let's go see where my hits are. I know all of them hit. Alright, so we got ourselves 2 beautiful bullseyes. 1 beautiful shot to the head right there. And let's go to the next one. That's a 7-yard target. Alright, so this one was pretty bad. I couldn't get the side acquisition on the headshot, but still right in the neck. And then down here we have Alpha and bullseye.